Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to understand how to auto post WordPress post to Telegram in minutes. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to publish a new post on WordPress, then I want to share the same post on my Telegram group. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect. So here to do this, my trigger application will be WordPress and my action application will be Telegram. So if you want to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to auto post WordPress post to Telegram in minutes. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to publish a new post on WordPress, then I want to share the same post on Telegram. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect. So this here is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and now in order to do this, here as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as auto post WordPress post to Telegram in minutes. And on my left hand side, you can see these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Telegram. And now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action application. So now moving to my use case, that is to auto post WordPress post to Telegram in minutes. So moving to my trigger window, here I'm going to select WordPress as my trigger application, and here it is. And now the trigger event will be new post published. So this trigger will start working whenever a new post will be published. So as my objective is to auto post WordPress post to Telegram in minutes, so here in my action window, I'm going to search for Telegram bot as my action application. And now the action event will be to send a text message or reply. So here you can see that as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So here my objective is to auto post WordPress post to Telegram in minutes. So now in order to do that, firstly, I need to establish a connection between WordPress and Pabbly Connect. So to do that, here a webhook URL is given, and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully, because this webhook URL will help you to connect your WordPress account with Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to my WordPress account, and as given in the instruction, I will go to settings, and in settings, I will go to WP webhooks. So here I will go to send data. And now I'm going to scroll down to this WP webhooks, and here I'm going to select it as post created. And once that is done, here I need to mention the webhook URL. So first let me give my webhook a name as new. And now here I need to mention the webhook URL. So here from Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy it. And now here in WordPress, I'm going to paste it. Now here I'm going to click on add for post create. And here you can see that a new webhook has been created. Here, now again, I will go to these three dots, and over here I will go to settings. And in settings, I'm going to select the trigger on selected post type will be post. And now here the trigger on initial post status will be published. Once I've selected this, here I'm going to click on save settings. So you can see that the settings is saved. So now I'm going to close this. So here you can see that a new webhook has been created. So this webhook will help us to capture the data in Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So to do this, that means I have to create a new post in WordPress. So now again, I'm going to take you to my WordPress account. So now here in WordPress, I'm going to add a new post. So here I'm going to mention the post title and the post content. So this here is the post content, and the post title will be digital marketing error. So this here is the post title and this here is the post content. So now here I'm going to click on publish. So here you can see that the post has been published. So I'm going to click on view post. And this here is a new WordPress post. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that I have received a response. So this here is the post title. This here is the link for the post. Scrolling down to some other details. So this here is the content of the post. That means the WordPress post which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new post will be published on WordPress, then automatically that post will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the post details over here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to auto post this WordPress post to Telegram. So now in order to do this, I need to establish a connection between Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I need to mention a token. So now here I need to mention the token. So read this instruction given below carefully because this will help you to get the token. So now let me take you to my Telegram account. So as stated in the instruction, here I'm going to search for bot father. So here bot father is. And now as per the instruction given, I'm going to click on start. And here as in order to get a new bot, I need to click on the /new bot. And now I need to give my bot a name. So here I'm going to give my bot a name as new bot WordPress. And now I need to select a new username for the same. So I'm going to select it as new bot username _ bot. So over here you can see that I have created a new bot, and now here to bring this bot into one of my conversations. So here I am going to click on this link and I'm going to click on start. So here you can see that now the bot is in my conversation. So now here in bot father, as I wanted to get the token. So this here is the token given. So I'm going to copy it and in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. And now here I'm going to click on save. So this token is for the bot which I have just created. So here you can see that the Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now here I need to select the chat ID. That means now I need to enter the chat ID for the target chat. So where can I find this? So here in Telegram once again. So here this is a group which I have created by the name of WordPress post. And in this group I want to auto post the WordPress post. So this here is the ID given. So I'm going to copy the same. And now here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So once this is done, now moving to text message and other details. But in order to send a text message, I need to make sure that this bot which I've just created should be made as an admin. So in order to do that, again in Telegram, I'm going to add the bot as a member and then I'm giving him the admin access as well. So to give the admin access, you can give it through your mobile phone. So now I'm going to add the bot and then I'm going to give the admin access. So now here you can see that the bot has been added as one of the members and then the bot has been given the admin access. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect and here I'm going to frame the text message. So by using this Telegram bot, I will be able to send the WordPress post in that group. So here I'm going to frame the text message. So here I framed the text message and here the parse mode is HTML. That is why the message looks like this, because when I'm sending the link for the WordPress post on that group, I want to send it with a hyperlink so that a person can directly go to that link and then go to the WordPress post. So now here in this H reference, we are going to use a single quote. Make sure you also use the same. So here I'm going to map the post link. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So here I'm going to search for the link and now I'm going to map it. So now here I need to mention the title. So from the response received, I'm going to search for the title, that is digital marketing error, and I've mapped it. So here you can see that I have mapped the details. So now this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now scrolling down here, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see that I have received a response, and this here is a positive response. So here in this Telegram group, you can see that a message has been received which includes the WordPress title and the link. So here you can see that the text is new WordPress post update, share your feedback. So here as soon as I will click on this hyperlink, it is asking me that do you want to open this link? So here I'm going to click on open link. So here you can see that it has directed me to this WordPress post. So here that means this automation which I have just set up is a successful one. So this automation and integration is a successful one. That means now whenever a new post will be published on WordPress, then the same WordPress post will be sent in my Telegram group automatically. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.